This is another kind of non-verbal reasoning question you might have. So in the big square on the left of the example below, one of the small squares has been left empty. One of the 5 squares on this side, on the right, should fill the empty square. Its letter has been marked on your answer sheet. In the example above, the 2 shapes at the top are both the same, except that the circle on the left is white and the one on the right is black. In the bottom left, there is a white shield shape. To complete the pattern, the missing shape has to be a shield that is shaded black. So that's why D is the answer. Now let's look at some questions while this goes. So can we see anything that from here we can say it can't be A because they're all either going up or down or side to the side. Oh, I can see this to this, this to this to this, and this to this. So I'm expecting it to be D because I can see something happening there diagonally. That, I'm expecting that to be that as well, to be pointing up. Okay, and I can't choose this because this already exists in the box. I can't choose this because if you look at it, it already exists here. And I can't choose this, E, because none of them goes to the west. They all go north, south, or east. Okay, let's look at this one. Big circle ring. Is that a pattern? So it shows that in each of the rows, in each row, there is a pattern shape. Is this oval or circle now? There is a pattern oval shape. There is a solid line, and there is a double solid line. So for each one there must be, and they vary: big, bigger, biggest, big, bigger, biggest. So I'm expecting here, I can see is the same shape, is the same size on this column, the same size on this column it was so far, and the same size on this column. So I'm hoping to have a shape like this, the smallest circle. Okay, let's see which ones are the smallest circles. Not this, not this, not this. These are very big. So it's either C or D. And then I look, what else can I see? Each one has a ring, well, a double line. Each one has a double line and a dashed line and a solid line. So, because there's a dashed line, there's a solid line, that means I need one with a double line like a ring. So I will say this is my answer. I already have a pattern, one with dashed lines here already, so it can't be this. Okay, so let's see the next one. I want you to pause your video and mark your answer. Pause the video and work this out for me. Okay, so let's look at it together. We have, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same shape here is the same shape here. It's just that it's tilted. I'm looking at the pointer, like I said, 3 things. 1 element at a time. Number 2, use snaps. And then number 3, by elimination. So if I look at the pointed bit here, how did it come to that? It was rotated anti-clockwise 90 degrees. That's how it came here. This one, if I rotate it, that means I look at the pointer, maybe here, which is opposite this place, this bit here. If I look at the pointer and take it anti-clockwise 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, I'm expecting it to be, so this will be here and this will be there. So I expect this shaded bit here to come it's up there. Alright, and that points there. Alright, let's see. Okay, yeah, it can only be this. D is the answer. Then for 24, what element are we looking at? Which one will complete the block? So we can see the same shape is here, here, here. It just goes like a staircase. The same shape, but one is patterned, one is smaller, and one is blank. The same goes there. So the third one is patterned. Here the middle one is shaded, and here the first one is also patterned. So I expect it to be on the first one here with this kind of shape, this like a finger, with finger on the other side. Okay, the only one I can see that has to be on the first bit on the top. Well, the top, I mean, it's at the top here, it's at the top here, so it needs to be at the top here. I'm expecting something like this, like that, pattern like that, and the other shapes. Okay, the only one I can see. This is not, this is on the second, this is on the first, but it's not that kind of pattern. So I cancel this. This is no pattern at all. I cancel that, and this is the only one I can see has got that pattern. Then number 25. I can see these are all different. So that means this shape is turned 180 degree, is turned 180 degree so that the inside shade takes the shading. Okay, so let's look at one element at a time, like I said. So this becomes this. This small shape becomes this. That means the small shape that will become that should also be a triangle. So there should be a square in here and then a triangle. Oh yeah, that's what we have. All right, but then this, so this has to be dotted. That means it has to be dotted here as well. Dotted, dotted. So it can't be B because it's not dotted. Okay, we have 4 options to choose from now. Now, this is, like I said, it was rotated 180 80 degrees. That means I'm expecting something like this, oops. I'm expecting something like this, and this. That's what I'm expecting. A long one, and so this doesn't look like it, this doesn't look like it, so it's either going to be this. Well, it can't be this because it's not the same. It has to be rotated, so it can't be this. The answer is A. Alright, so I'll leave you to do more examples by yourself. Time to watch these videos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you like the videos we have for you today. Remember to always come on here to check for more of our beautiful videos, educational videos, inspiring videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.